friend, welcome to a maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun making this video and I was just thinking like, what type of video should I make next? And it was time for me to wash my hair and do all of my beauty maintenance, and I figured I would show you guys what I do when I just have one of my maintenance pamper me days, because all of us girls need those days. So we're starting off washing our hair, and y'all, I got some really good texture shots in this video. I'm so excited for you to see my hair. Y'all know I have been gushing over my newly relaxed hair. If you have not seen the video where I relaxed my hair, make sure you check that video out because my hair has been relaxed. In this video, it had been 2 weeks and I'm still loving it so much. My hair is so thick, the texture is so beautiful, and I'm just so happy I made the decision. Look, I'm not trying to make you go back to relaxed. I'm just saying I've enjoyed my decision, that is all. So I'm using the Silk Elements Moisturizing Shampoo, just working that into my hair, and I decided to shampoo twice. So I'm also going to use up the rest. I had a little bit left of this Gisou, I don't know how to say that, but I got that from Sephora a while back, so I had a little bit of that left, so I thought I would add that to the hair as well and just get my hair nice and clean. So since I have started relaxing, I definitely want to make sure that I'm taking care of my hair really well. So I'm using this ApHogee 2-step strengthening treatment, and this is a protein treatment that is supposed to just, keep your hair strengthened and stop any shedding or breakage. And obviously I've chemically altered my hair, so I know that some shedding or breakage is probably inevitable, but I want to minimize that as much as possible. So the strengthening treatment you're supposed to leave on for 10 minutes for coarser, thicker hair. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just spreading it all throughout my hair, paying a lot of attention to the ends because obviously that's the oldest part of your hair. And I'm just going to put it under a plastic cap and sit for 10 minutes before I rinse. So step 2 of that protein treatment is just the balancing moisturizer, and that's what I have in my hair here. Y'all look at the texture in my hair. I love it so much. My ponytail has never been this full, and it just makes me so excited to see how much I can grow my hair in a straighter state. Like I'm just so excited for that. So here's more texture shots of my hair. Clearly I am obsessed and I'm just gonna rinse out this balancing moisturizer so we can move on. Alright, so when I did relax my hair, one of the things I said was that I was not going to use heat on my hair very often, and I'm still subscribing to that. So I'm just spraying some leave-ins in my hair. And by the way, all of these products will be linked below, you guys. If you want to copy my hair routine, they'll all be linked below. But I'm just spraying some leave-ins in my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it and braid it on up so it can go under a wig. I still plan on wearing protective styles. I still plan on just taking really good care of my hair. I just wanted it in a straighter state. I keep getting this question, why did you relax your hair? I just wanted it in a little bit more of a relaxed state, okay? That is it. right, now let's move into the skin. I'm gonna do my hair removal process. You guys have seen me do this multiple times, but this is how I remove the hair from my face. I have PCOS, and so your girl grows a beard. It is what it is. So we remove that once a week with one of these little facial razors. I use some oil, and it just keeps my skin nice and hair free and smooth. And this little guy has been absolutely one of my favorite devices for a while now. So a company actually sent this to me a while ago, and I started using it, stopped using it, and then I've just gotten back in the habit of it. And you guys, this really slows down the hair growth. It does not stop it, but it slows down the hair growth on my face. I was shaving my face maybe once every 4 days before using this. Now I can go about 8 or 9 days, which is awesome. So this really, really helps. And you don't want to be like, shaving your face too much because you just don't want to cause irritation. So this has been so helpful for that area of my face where I shave. Then we move on to our brows because of course we need some nice, neat brows, and I do my brows myself. I actually do all my beauty treatments myself except for my pedicures. So I'm just plucking my brows here. I think I'm gonna try waxing my brows next, like buy a nice waxing kit. If you guys can recommend one, let me know down below. Of course, what would a Pamper Me Day be without lashes? These are my current favorite lashes, and they're the Kiss Impress self-adhesive lashes. And then I also use some of those Blinkify lashes just because I had them. The Kiss lashes are self-adhesive, but I pair those with a lash glue, and oh my god, my lashes stay for like 7 days. It is amazing. And then when it's time to take them off, I just take them off and put them back on, but they last for a week. It takes me 5 to 7 minutes to do. This is the best alternative to lash extensions. If you're tired of paying for lash extensions, going to appointments, this is the absolute best alternative. I would recommend this 10 times over getting lash extensions, which is what I used to get, and they just became insanely expensive. It became so time consuming, and I couldn't do it anymore. So this is such a great alternative. Lastly, for this Pamper Me Day, we are going to do our nails. What is a maintenance vlog if you don't go get your nails done, girl? So we're gonna do our nails, and this is another treatment that I've decided to do myself at home and kind of DIY, and I am so happy that I did. So this is I have a whole video on this, but this is my, I guess, Gel X routine, and it just works so well. My nails stay on for 2+ weeks. I have my own drill. I have my own gel cure machine. I actually have 2 of them, and you guys will see what I use them for in a second. And investing the money in all of this stuff up front is just much cheaper than going to the salon every 2.5, 3 weeks. It just doesn't make sense to me anymore. I'm not gonna do it when I can sit at home and just be relaxed and do my own nails. Some of my favorite nails lately has been this box art. Is that what you call it? BT art box. gel nails. They come in these packs and it's like $14 for like 250 nails, and they will fit all nail sizes, you guys. They have from like the biggest nail beds to the smallest nail beds, and you just choose your sizes and you can use those. And I mean, I really love these nails. They're like soft gel nail tips, but they don't break. It's amazing. I love it. Now, I was using the glue that came in this brand, but the glue does not seem to be, I don't know, it just doesn't last as long as this glue right here, which is the Modelones brand. This brand is everything. I love their glue. I love their top coat, and that's what I'm going to use for this set. So my process is I brush on some dehydrator, and then I brush on the nail glue. I cure it for about 30 seconds, and then I go back in and put more nail glue on my nail bed, and then also on the back side of the nail, which you guys will see me do here in a minute. And then I put the nail on and I flash cure that for about 10 to 15 seconds under the small light. And that's what I do for each nail. And then I cure the whole hand for 60 seconds when I'm done with all 5 nails. So you guys will see me do it. I'll put the instructions on the screen as I'm going through it, but that is how I get the best results. And then I put the top coat on, and then of course I cure that, and I just get the best little results from this. Lasts me 2+ weeks, and it's just perfect. Doesn't damage my nails. So much better than acrylic, and honestly I can do this faster than when I was going to the salon. But you guys, that is all for this Pamper Me Day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more maintenance vlogs or anything like that, just let me know down below. If there are any other videos you want to see coming up in 2024, let me know down below. I'd love to create videos that you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.